You can see there's a video title where I have put all the functions, some functions, mid function, average function. I'm making some videos and I'm putting all the titles. But the problem is now I want to remove this function from all the names. How I will do that? First of all, I will select them all and I will go into the replace option. In the replace, you can see in find word, I will put function. And I want to replace the function with blank or the blank spaces, or I will leave it as it is. And then I will select replace and finish. You can see all the functions have been replaced with the 0, and now I can use these title for my video.